Today, we're getting into something really fundamental: English greetings and introductions.
Yeah, it seems basic, but getting it right makes a huge difference.
Exactly. We're not talking textbook drills here. We've, sifted through the material to pull out the practical bits you need for those first moments.
Right, so you feel confident whether it's casual or more formal.
We'll cover the easy hi and hey, the time-based ones like good morning, and the more buttoned up how do you do.
hmm The goal really is to equip you, the listener, to navigate these interactions smoothly, make a good first impression.
Okay, so let's kick off with the everyday stuff. Informal greetings.
The ones we use all the time without thinking, maybe?
Yeah, like hello, hi, hey. Super simple, right?
Definitely. You might just say to someone, "Hi, how are you?"
Easy, sets a friendly tone straight away.
Absolutely. These are your go-tos for, relaxed situations. But then time comes into play.
Ah, right, the time-specific ones.
Yeah. Good morning. That's typically before noon, before 12 p.m.
That's it.
Then good afternoon takes over, usually from 12:00 p.m. until maybe 5:00 p.m., give or take.
Okay.
And good evening is for anything after 5:00 p.m. or so.
So you might say, good morning, it's nice to see you early in the day.
Exactly. It just fits the time.
Makes sense, you need that context. Now, what about more formal situations, like a job interview or meeting someone important?
Right. That's where things shift a bit. You might hear or use phrases like, "How do you do?"
A classic.
A bit traditional, yeah.
Ugh.
Or, "Pleased to meet you." Also, "It's a pleasure to meet you."
Our sources give the example, how do you do? I'm John Smith. It definitely sounds more formal.
It does. And often these formal greetings lead right into introductions.
Okay, so introducing yourself, what are the main ways?
Well, the standards are, "My name is your name," or slightly shorter, "I'm your name."
Pretty straightforward.
Yeah. And if you want to offer a nickname, you can add, "You can call me nickname."
Like in the example, my name is Sarah, you can call me Sally. Kind of softens it a bit.
Exactly. It bridges formality and friendliness.
And then you need to ask their name right.
You can be direct. "What's your name?"
Or be a little more polite.
Yeah. "May I ask your name?" Sounds a bit more formal, a bit more courteous.
So you might combine it like, hi, I'm Alex, what's your name? Keeps things moving.
Flows naturally. Then there's welcoming someone.
Oh yeah, making people feel comfortable when they arrive somewhere.
Simple phrases work best. "Welcome," or "Welcome to our office," or "Welcome to place."
Mm-hmm. It's great to have you here. Also works well.
It does. Like, "Welcome to our home. Please come in." Very inviting.
And often a welcome comes with an offer of help, doesn't it?
Okay.
Especially in, say, a professional setting.
Good point. Phrases like, "Can I help you with anything?" or "Do you need any assistance?" fit right in.
Like, welcome to the conference. Can I help you with anything? Shows you're attentive.
Exactly. Now, let's flip it. Responding to greetings. How do you answer? "How are you?"
The standard responses. Usually positive, right? I'm fine, thank you.
Or, "I'm good. How about you?" It's polite to ask back.
Yeah, or doing well, thanks. Just keeps the conversation light.
So, "Hi. How are you?" "I'm good. How about you?" Very common exchange.
But what if you're not so great?
Well, you don't always have to be super enthusiastic. Neutral responses are fine. "I'm okay."
Or not too bad.
Right. Or even a bit more honest, like, "I've been better."
So someone asks, hello, how are you? You could reply, I've been better, but thanks for asking. Still polite.
Exactly. It acknowledges the question without oversharing usually.
Okay, maybe we can see how this all fits together, like a mini conversation.
Yeah, the sources had a good example. Let's say person A starts.
Okay, I'm person A. Good morning. My name is Emma.
And I'm B. "Good morning, Emma." "I'm Liam. It's nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you too, Liam. Welcome to our office.
"Thank you. I'm excited to be here."
See? Simple, polite, covers the basics: greeting, introduction, welcome, response.
Hits all the key points of a positive first interaction.
So, wrapping up this deep dive, we've covered those casual hellos, the time-sensitive greetings, formal options, introducing yourself, asking for names, welcoming people, and how to respond.
Yeah, all really foundational stuff for communicating effectively in English.
They seem like small things, but nailing these basics really helps build confidence.
It absolutely does. And what's interesting to think about is how mastering these simple phrases can genuinely influence how people perceive you.
That's a great point. It sets the stage for everything that follows.
Right. So the provocative thought for you, the listener, might be, how much impact do these initial few words truly have? Consider how refining your greetings and introductions could potentially open new doors or strengthen connections you make.
Something to definitely think about. Thanks for diving deep with us today.